Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Today I'm doing some driving for Ritchies coach lines, Ritchies Transport, doing cruise ship shuttles for Princess Cruises. So I'm in fleet 530 1995 B12 Double Decker bus, 71 seater. I have driven 535. This is a bit nicer, this one. It's got nice refurbished seats upstairs, so perfect for a shuttle. It's got good capacity. So just shuttling people in and out of town today, so just a quick walk around of the interior. I'm just currently lined up. Stairwell there and downstairs. Nice tidy bus, and as I said, perfect for shuttle work. Driver's area there, she's an automatic. Hey, but guys, look, thanks for watching. I'll get some driving footage a bit later when things quieten down a little bit. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, click subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Hey guys, Nick here again. Welcome back. Just out on the wharf here at Port Chalmers, Dunedin. So got two cruise ships in today. The Royal Princess, which is just backing in here at the moment. That's the one I'm doing shuttles for. And another Princess cruise out there as well. So yeah, just sitting in my bus here. So as I said, 530. So just a bit of a look at the cab area here. And it's got the air conditioning controls and bits and pieces there. The camera for upstairs, and a hell of a lot of buses out here as well, of course. But anyway guys, stand by. I'll get a bit of driving footage a bit later on in the day, but yeah, just waiting for this cruise boat to come in now. There she goes, Royal Princess, here at Port Chalmers, Dunedin. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Still raining out here at Port Chalmers. It was about 34 degrees and bright sunshine yesterday in Dunedin, but just do a quick walk around on the bus. We've got the Princess cruise out there as well. Now that we've got a bit more time. A few buses floating around. Just a bit of a quiet patch here at the minute. It's the outside of the vehicle. So 530, similar to 535 that I've driven, but this one's a better bus. It's a better layout inside and just nicer to drive. But look guys, just sort of fits and starts for me today because we're obviously doing the shuttle, so just get bits and pieces, but I will get some driving footage later on as promised. But stand by for that and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Welcome back guys. Just almost back out at Port Chalmers, heading back out empty. I've taken people in and out today, so with the 70 odd seat capacity on this bus, it's quite ideal for shuttling large numbers of people in and out of the cruise ship for the Princess ship. But no, the bus is going well. It's ZF automatic, matches quite well with the Volvo B12 engine, and it's an older vehicle but certainly actually performs quite well, handles nicely, been refurbished upstairs, which is good. So it's yeah, quite a good bus. Quite enjoyed driving it today actually for Ritchies transport. So look, just if you're enjoying the video, make sure you do give us a thumbs up, click subscribe. Helps me to bring more material to viewers out there. And obviously you enjoyed the drive as we come into the little port village of Port Chalmers, where the big cruise ships and container ships come into Dunedin. Two cruise ships in today, the Majestic Princess and the Royal Princess, both berthed up here at Port Chalmers. Okay guys, welcome back. Just on the wharf here at taking a chock-a-load of people out to the Royal Princess cruise boat. So a lot of people starting to head back from Dunedin now and just heading back in empty, pick up another load of people. So I'll leave the camera on for a bit, team, and you can get a bit of footage of me driving in the double decker Volvo B12. You'll see lots of other buses coming in and out too as we drive in for all you bus enthusiasts out there. Two ships in today, so it's been a busy time on the road. thanks for watching. Please do click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hope you enjoy the content. Don't forget to leave a comment, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.